Hi everyone, so I got my evocative silk blush in Riveting Rhubarb from Singe Beauty. So I just figured I'd try it with y'all. Oh man, I'm gonna stuff her. This is the color. I already did foundation and such. I'm gonna swatch this. This is what it looks like. Pretty. This brush is clean. It's just been stained to this color. So I'm going to try this on. My foundation isn't looking the best today, so just gonna ignore that part. I just grabbed whichever one I had on hand to use to try this with. Oh, I should put my hair back. Also need a slight bigger mirror. Always check the sizing of things before you get them. I probably would have still gotten this anyways because it's cute, but it is quite small. So you can build it up, obviously. So it's looking like. I like it. I might use it as a eyeshadow today too. I don't know. So I think it's pretty. My lighting still is not like, it looks so much better like in the mirror than on camera. Don't know what's going on there, but yep. Maybe if I just turn it, no, obviously not. Let's not turn it all the way off. Well, that's a little better. But anyways, that's the blush. I probably am gonna use it for eyeshadow. I'll just do the rest of my face and then come back and see how that goes too. Okay, so I'm back. Don't know how I feel about this lippy with this, but it worked well with using it for my eyes. I just used my highlighter for the sparkly shimmery shadow since I was just using the blush. Again, it doesn't look as good on camera. I don't know how to get my lighting to fix that, but yeah. Anyways, this is what it looks like, and yeah, I hope y'all have a good day.